Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
First, get your devices ready for mirroring by checking software and network settings. Make sure your Samsung phone runs Android 10 or later for best compatibility. Verify your TV or streaming stick supports Miracast, SmartView, or Samsung SmartThings casting. Put both devices on the same Wi-Fi network, preferably 5 GHz for lower latency and higher reliability. Keep the phone and TV within about 3-5 meters to reduce wireless interference and ensure strong signal. Begin mirroring by opening the quick panel and tapping Smart View on your Samsung phone. Wait a few seconds as the phone scans for nearby Miracast or SmartThings devices on the same Wi-Fi. Tap the name of your TV or streaming adapter when it appears in the list to initiate the connection. Confirm the connection prompt on the TV using the remote or on-screen accept button. If SmartView does not find the TV, open Settings, then Connections, then screen mirroring for manual discovery, and retry the connection steps. If mirroring fails, restart the phone, TV, and router to clear temporary network issues. Check for and install firmware updates on the TV and system updates on your phone before trying again. Temporarily disable VPNs, firewalls, and hotspot modes that block device discovery on the local network. For better video quality, select 1080p or the highest supported resolution in TV settings or Smart View options. Move the devices closer than 3-5 meters and prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce latency and improve stability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.